Hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson with this week's Property Market Pulse. We're going to start with interest rates. As we all know, the cash rate left on hold on Melbourne Cup Day. However, the post-statement announcement from the RBA suggests they still hold an easing bias. Now, most are predicting there will be another interest rate reduction, likely to be in February 2020. Also during the week, I saw this very interesting graph which shows now that the 3-year fixed investment mortgage rate has fallen below the average gross rental yields across all of the capital cities. What this essentially means is if you can find that right investment property, you're likely to see it being cash flow positive. Also, last Saturday, the auction clearance rate here in Sydney sitting at 77%. In the inner west, it was much stronger, sitting at 90%. We averaged 5.67 bidders at all of our auctions and also averaged $56,000 above those set reserves. There's no doubt this market is accelerating. CoreLogic are of the belief that if this trend continues, we're likely to see property prices exceed the peak 2017 levels by the middle of next year. Now, there are just 7 weeks remaining in order to secure a property before the Christmas break, and we've got some outstanding properties open for inspection, but I wanted to highlight a couple which I really recommend you get out and have a look at this weekend. 60 Fleurs Avenue in Earlwood, 5 beds, 4 baths, 4-car parking, 651 square metres of land, 325 square metres of internal space. This is blue chip real estate for the Earlwood market with a guide at $1.9 million. Also, 256 Trafalgar Street in Annandale, 1 bed, 1 bath, 132 square metres of land and a guide at $910,000. When was the last time you saw a property under $1 million in the inner west? Make sure you check that one out. Also, 86 Reynolds Street in Balmain. This is a great property, elevated from the street, 3 beds, 1 bath, 258 square metres of land. It's got dual street access, all exposed to the north. This is a great property and something you can do with the potential there for sure. And then finally, 225 Roundtree Street in Birchgrove. This is a wide fronted terrace, beautifully renovated, 4 beds, 3 bathrooms, outstanding city views in blue chip territory. The guide is at $3 million. And then finally, this week, we'd like to make the announcement that Richardson Wrench in Leichhardt have merged under the Cobden and Hayson banner during the week. This is a well-respected, family-run business in operation for over 30 years. It strengthens our rental portfolio and also our commitment to the inner west market. And we welcome the entire team to join us this week at Cobden and Hayson. So folks, that's all we've got time for this week. It's an outstanding weekend of open homes. We've got some great properties going under the hammer as well, and our entire team looks forward to seeing you out and about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.